It is becoming increasingly impossible to ignore the role of information and communication technologies in our society. Computers allow us to store, access, and manage vast amounts of data, while the internet and wireless technologies have given us the ability to plug into this information from virtually anywhere in the world. For faculty, these innovations not only supply new tools for research, but also new methods and strategies for teaching science content to undergraduate students, which will impact all areas of learning. While it is possible to point to nearly any dimension of the college and career readiness standards and identify ways technology could be incorporated to improve that domain, the science standards specifically address several key areas in information and communication technology. The terms information technology and communication technology are sometimes used interchangeably. However, there is a difference. Information technologies help us collect, organize, and work with data. Examples might include Microsoft Excel or Google Earth. Communication technologies allow us to disseminate information to others, as well as retrieve and receive information from a variety of sources. The Internet is a vast system of communication technology. Cell phones represent another form of communication technology. Scientific theory is created through inferences based in empirical observation and the collection of data. Integrating the use of real-world data helps students conceptualize scientific principles and theories and demonstrates the practical applications of science. Information technologies assist in the measurement, storage and management, visualization and modeling, and manipulation of data. Empirical observation is at the very root of science. Observational measurements, referred to as data, provide the foundation for scientific knowledge. However, there are limits to the precision of the human senses that allow us to collect data. Therefore, we develop instruments that exponentially improve our innate ability to measure data. Microscopes and telescopes both magnify what is visible to the naked eye. Seismographs can measure Earth movements, which are imperceptible to the average person. In addition to our improved ability to measure data, technology has provided us with more efficient ways to store, manage, and retrieve data. The digitization of data has made storing, organizing, and retrieving data much easier and more accessible than ever. However, new technologies require users to learn new skill sets. In order for students to be successful, they must be literate in the operation of search engines and database navigation. Often, the time, effort, and financial resources associated with measurement, as well as the availability of opportunities, are prohibitive to replicating observations. Students should also be aware of where to locate shared data resources, such as from the NASA website. Raw data are often composed of a vast number of numerical data points. Information technologies can transform raw data into charts, graphs, maps, and other representational forms for aiding in interpretation and prediction. Finally, information technology allows us to conduct complex calculations and computations with minimal effort. Computer software can plot correlations and perform a number of other statistical operations. The ability to manipulate data allows scientists to draw conclusions from data and to efficiently communicate research to others in the scientific community. Whereas information technologies allow us to collect, store, and manipulate data, communication technologies allow us to exchange knowledge with others in new ways. Communication technology can broadly be defined as including books, records, radio, and television. Recently, communication technology has focused on two revolutionary technologies, the cell phone and the Internet. Communication technologies can provide a number of features including student familiarity, mobility, collaboration, and community building. One barrier to implementing technology in classrooms is the effort required to train students to use that technology in order to effectively perform desired tasks. However, many students are aware of and adapt at using many forms of social communication media outside of the classroom. According to the International Society for Technology and Education, 83% of students use a form of social network like Facebook, and 80% watch videos online on sites like YouTube. Communication technologies allow learning to happen from nearly any location. Cellular phone and Wi-Fi networks, as well as social networking sites, provide students with connectivity to educators and to each other, independent of a centralized classroom location. Links to online articles, videos, and other educational tools can be shared, while social networking promotes discussion. One feature of communication technologies is the speed of interaction between participants. A message or comment posted is instantly viewable and can be immediately responded to by other participants. This can sometimes create a non-linear dialogue, as members can post comments simultaneously and refer back to earlier comments. Newer Web 2.0 applications allow for collaboration with individuals, building on or remixing elements from the products of others. Wikipedia is an example of such an application. Online virtual communities have the potential to unite scholars with common interests from all over the world, and to create discussions which would be otherwise geographically prohibited in the real world. Communities may take the form of basic message boards like Facebook groups, or highly sophisticated three-dimensional virtual worlds, such as Second Life. Technologies invite creativity both on the part of the educator and of the students. They can provide new ways of producing and communicating knowledge and provide us with a wealth of resources and abilities. Furthermore, as the future moves us increasingly towards an information-based economy, using information and communication technologies will become more and more essential for readiness in college and careers. Therefore, it is important to begin incorporating these technologies into our classroom in meaningful and positive ways.